Hi, my name is Diogo and I'm a software developer from Brazil. This is my first video about software development. This is also my first video in English, by the way. I'm recording this video to share with you my thoughts about what do I expect in the software development market in 2025. Last year, in 2024, I concluded my course in system development. It was 3 years of a course that in the college I started to learn about software development. I had my first job through this course, and nowadays I am at this job yet. I am still in this job. I have 3 years of experience in software development, specifically in web development. I work with PHP and JavaScript. We work with vanilla PHP and also vanilla JavaScript. We use also and almost vanilla JavaScript because we use also jQuery. And I have very familiarity with these two technologies, PHP and JavaScript. For this way, in this year, I want to keep studying those technologies. For my final paper in my college, I did a system, a barbershop scheduling using C# in the backend and React in the front end. I wanted to learn these technologies. I wanted very much to learn these two technologies and build something using it. Then I choose to use it, and I got very happy because C# is a very huge technology. There are so many things you can do with it. I use just the ASP.NET part, but I got very happy with the results. And of course, React. React is a very powerful tool to learn front end, and nowadays is used to learn the full stack if you want at all too. And yes, I liked very much React, and I want to keep studying about it. Yes, I loved C# also, but this year I have some plans to myself, and one of those plans is to build a personal project, is to release some personal project and starting to sell something by myself, and I think for this specific goal, React would allow me to do that quickly because I have familiarity with JavaScript, and now I have some experience with React, and maybe this is my way. Maybe this is my right way to hit my goals. But why I mentioned PHP also? Because I have 3 years of experience with PHP. PHP is a very strong language too, but I want to unite these two things, PHP and JavaScript using React, but PHP not using vanilla PHP. I want to learn Laravel. Laravel is a very strong full stack framework. And yes, if you want to build something with Laravel, you can use just Laravel, nothing else. But I want to keep using React. I think React is very good to produce something in the front end. The reactivity they call it reactivity. That is the reason of the name React. I want to keep using it. So I'm So I'm sure I'll study it, Laravel and React, using inertia. Inertia can do it easier and quicker, in a way, in a strong way that you cannot write any RESTful API for that. You can just write the backend as you would write an MVC app, and then use the front end with React, but without an REST API. They can do this bridge for you. And Laravel has a strong or ORM, as C Sharp also had. I loved the way C Sharp can. I loved the way where in C Sharp you can do your work with your database using Entity Framework. Entity Framework is a fantastic ORM to work with. And the way I learned about Laravel, they have Eloquent also, and Eloquent is also a strong ORM to work with. Then I got very comfortable with change from C# to Laravel. Yes, from ASP.NET to Laravel, and I got very happy to know it. So I think my technology I would choose this year to work with is Laravel and React using inertia. What do you think about it? I want to, if you could write something, I'd like to know your opinion about it. I also love other full stack solutions using just JavaScript, like Next or Remix, that now is React Router v7, and now they're releasing 10 stack start. At the time of this video, it is in beta version, but this year we'll release the stable version. I'm sure it's gonna be a fantastic tool also. Yes, but I think Laravel is above any JS framework. That's my thoughts about it. But I want to learn to write something using React Router framework or 10 stack start. Not Next. Next is a fantastic tool. Yet Next is a fantastic tool too. But I don't know. I read something about Verso and I didn't like it. But yes, Next.js is fantastic. I must say it. But if I would choose a full JS framework, I would go with React Router framework or 10 stack start. Even 10 stack start is in beta version, because they in 10 stack start they are using 10 stack router that with what is in stable version 10 stack router, and 10 stack router seems great. But I want to keep using my knowledge, my 3 years of experience and knowledge in PHP, and go with Laravel. Maybe Laravel seems the right choice for me. What do you think about it? For the system development in 2025, I don't know if to gonna return to the time once it was. Maybe I want to I mean 2020 or 2021. I didn't live this era. I I didn't start I didn't start study yet at this time, uh, and I had some difficulty to learn to to hit my first job in the era. That is my current job, uh, and I want that bubble uh, stopped. Fortunately, the jobs are not hot as they was as they were someday. I don't think it will return this year, and not next year, and not in the next 5 years. All we must do is prepare ourselves and keep studying, and maybe uh, work by ourselves in uh, some small projects. I want to learn my small projects. I want to I want to learn, uh, not learn. I want to release my small project this year. Even if I release one single project, I'll be happy. I'll be happy because that's my goal. That's one of my goals this year. Is is to work by myself. Uh, what do you think about it? Write something in the comments if you want. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.